Meaning of indecision.
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 Indecision. Indecision is the state of being unable to decide between two or more options. A person experiencing indecision may feel stuck, unsure of which path to take or decision to make. This can be due to various factors, such as fear of making the wrong choice, lack of information, or conflicting values. Indecision can lead to anxiety, procrastination, and missed opportunities, as well as frustration and self-doubt. It is important to address indecision by identifying the underlying causes and taking action to overcome it, such as seeking advice, gathering more information, or setting clear priorities.